Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode in a Redmi 12 5G smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Now in settings, scroll down and go to additional settings, and here you can see one-handed mode. Tap on it. So you can see turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. Just tap here to enable it. Okay, now swipe left or right to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. Swipe left or right like this to go in one-handed mode, here you can see, and tap outside to go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in a Redmi 12 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.